A lawyer charged with pushing his wife to her death in a South Loop condo building faced a judge today.
As WGN's Jewel Hillary reports, the judge ordered that man to remain in jail.
Prosecutors say DNA connects Adam Beckerink to his wife's death, while defense attorneys claim there are significant gaps in the prosecution's case and believe that Caitlin Tracy's death was self-inflicted. During Adam Beckerink's detention hearing Friday, Cook County Assistant State's Attorney Ann McCord Rogers laid out a history of domestic abuse between Beckerink and his wife, Caitlin Tracy, in Chicago and Michigan, where Tracy owned a home. She says Tracy was beaten, dragged, and strangled, and on more than one occasion, witnesses were present.
Officers went into the bedroom where they could hear the victim yelling and saw her lying face down on the bed with the defendant on top of her. Officers ordered the defendant to the ground and he refused to comply.
1 month before her death, prosecutors say Tracy told a victim advocate that her husband threatened to harm her.
During this conversation, the victim also said that the defendant had previously threatened to throw her over the stairs.
In October 2024, Tracy's body was discovered at the bottom of a stairwell in the couple's South Loop condo building. Prosecutors say Beckerink pushed Caitlin over a railing, causing her to fall more than 20 stories to her death. They say Beckerink waited a day after he claimed his wife went missing to call 911 and gave inconsistent reports to CPD about the last time he'd seen her.
His statements that he made regarding Caitlin's disappearance were consistent, other than the times that he was interviewed in the middle of the night while he was under the influence.
Todd Pugh, Beckerink's defense attorney, says there's no evidence connecting his client to Tracy's death. He says the couple abused drugs and alcohol and believes Tracy's death was self-inflicted. A combination of drugs were found in the 36-year-old's system when she died.
The message here is if you were involved in a relationship that includes drug abuse, alcohol abuse, and allegations of intimate partner violence, and something happens to that person, you're going to jail and you're going to get charged with murder.
Prosecutors say DNA connects Beckerink to his wife's death.
DNA swabs taken from the hallway side of the stairwell door excluded the victim and showed very strong support that the defendant is a contributor of that DNA profile.
Beckerink is scheduled to appear back in court on February the 3rd. Reporting from 26th and Cal, I'm Jewel Hillary, WGN News.